Hi everyone, I'm Untitled, co-founder of Momenzo App, and in this video I will show you how you can create your own reset video in few minutes. We made video 10 times easier, but you still have to listen carefully to this video if you want to make it easier for you too. So today I'm going to show you how to create a video with your Android phone. So you should put your telephone code at the beginning like the French one, and then your full number, and then you click on next. And you should wait for a text. Then you have the text, you click on copy, copy, and now you can paste it, paste like this, and it should download. Update now. Now I click on this one, update now, and it's downloading my templates. Cool, successfully down. So now that I'm here, so I have already a project, so you should have this as empty. Now we're going to start a new project, plus, and you should have the guided version and the pro version. So basically when you're going to record a video, you have two ways of recording it. You have the guided version to show you step by step how you can do your video. You have tutorials to inspire you, to show you what you can do. You just have to reproduce it. And then when you are feeling comfortable with the guided version, you can go to the pro version. And the pro version, you don't have any tutorials and we're not telling you what you should shoot. You can organize everything by yourself, but I really recommend you to do few videos first with the guided version and then go to the pro one. And today we're going to see both, that you can understand the difference. So let's start it with the guided one. I click on guided. And now I have the tutorial, so it's showing me what I should, the sort of shot I should do. So the first shot is very important because when you're going to record your video and then you're going to post it, the first shot has to catch the attention of people. If you post it on social media, you want to make sure people stop scrolling and want to watch more about it. That's why we make impressive shots at the beginning. That's an example, another one. And when you are here, so we will just click on this red button to start recording. So I click here, like that, and I start moving, I start recording it. Like this, so I can see my shot straight away. So if I like it or not. If I don't like it, I can reshoot it. If I'm happy, I just click on done. It's saving it. And now we're going to the second shot, which is the living room. So it's showing me how I should position it myself and what I should reproduce, what sort of shot I can do. Then I click on next, and that's my turn. So this time I'm going to show you how you can import media from your library, like videos or pictures, your drone shot, or whatever you want from your library. So that's going to be this button. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to look, for example, we said for a living room, so we can take this one. And when I'm here, I can choose where I want my shot to start. So I can move it with my finger like this. And I want it to start here. I watch it. And then if I'm happy, yep, that's perfect. I click on import. I can see it again. And I click on done. And now it's saving this shot inside the app. All right, now we have the kitchen. The kitchen is showing you the position again. You should position yourself like this. Or actually, it's an example, what you can reproduce as well. So this time it's up to down. And this time I'm going to import an image. So I go here, images, and let me find then a kitchen. We have a kitchen here. That's perfect. I import it. And it's saving this shot again. All right, and now we're going to the bedroom. Perfect. Next. So to tell you more about this screen again, if you click here, you have the tutorial again, if you want to see what sort of shot you can do. Or if you want as well, just to let you know more, you can change the way of how you record it. But when you're like this, basically we will see later on, you can do commented shots. So now it's just like a normal shot. So now I'm going to import another shot. So as we are in this room, I prefer just to import shots, otherwise I will be shooting. And we said we need a bedroom, so we have this bedroom, for example. I just move it like this. That's perfect. I import it. Cool. Down. And the last one will be the bathroom. And let's import another picture, for example, with the bathroom. This one. Import. All right, so now we've done our 5 shots, like all the way through. And if we want, of course, we can add extra shots. So as you can see here, that's all the normal shots, all right? All of them, they are normal shots. You can just choose how long you want them to be. And then you have the commented shots, as you can see here. So the commented shots, there is 2 ways to do it. You can speak behind your camera and record what you have in front of you. That's really good, that's a voiceover. And then you can just change the way and just have yourself in a selfie mode and speak to the camera. So I'm going to show you one. So for example, I'm here. I'm going to choose, for example, the 8 second. You click here. Hi everyone, Guillaume Tayeb. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any question, please let me know. I would be more than happy to help you. So then you can review it again. And you click down. So that's a commented shot. We will see later on how it looks. And then you have the mini time lapse. The mini time lapse, you're going to record for 40 seconds, and then we are making shorter, like a 4-second shot, so it's really fast. So it's really good, for example, if you have a big garden, you don't want them to watch the video for 40 seconds walking in the garden. So you're going to record it for 40 seconds, and then in the video, it's going to be 4 seconds. It's like flying over the garden. And so it's good if you have big space, and it's really good for them to visit everywhere. So the mini time lapse, the voiceover, basically you record one shot, you speak, and then the 2 next shots you're going to record, your voice will be over. And this one, people love it. It's an accelerated shot. You can use it to go from one room to another one, or maybe if you go upstairs, you will make this effect. So it's really cool. And then when I'm done, I will click on complete. We're going to put title here. So for example, modern villa for sale. Location of the property is very important because when you're going to post your video, you want people to know where the property is. So here I'm going to write, for example, Chengdu. Price of the property. Don't forget to put your currency at the front. So let's say this one is for 500 like that, and then space inside. So let's say 800 square feet, 2000 square feet for this one. Number of parking or garage, let's say 1. Number of bedroom, I have 1. Number of bathroom, I have 1. And the listing number, so you just put the number there, like this, for example. And now I'm happy, I click here. And now I can probably add some text. So here you will see you can add some text. Everywhere you can see write your caption here, you can add a description text. So pick a sentence to describe your property. and you will see the difference. So I just put one here. I'm not going to put one there to show you the difference. So then I click here, I'm happy, and let's see how it looks. So I request the editing, the automatic editing. Now I'm going to download the video in the app just to see how it looks. So as you can see here, we have our text, and not on this one. So now if I click on Change Template, it's where I will have all the different templates. It's where I can create as many videos as I want. So for example, I've sold my property. I click here, I request it. And now I click on download. And my editing is ready with my profile picture, my logo, and this design just to say I sold it. Perfect. So as you can see, first you record your video. It's like walkthrough video, the long one, and then you can go to change template and you can play with all the templates. So for example, you have a new listing, you have a price drop, you have open house, or whatever you have, you go there, you change template and you create a new video from the first one. You don't have to record again or import anything. It's one click and it's done. Of course, if you want to change the music, you click here and you can listen to them. You just click here. And basically when you're happy, you click on choose, you request it, and then you download it. You click here, and then I have the new music with my editing. Perfect. We're going to click on the plus, we're going to go to the Pro version, and this time, as you can see, you don't have any tutorial or anything. It's just that you can choose whatever you want. So this time you're going to organize the video step by step as you want, and you can move them as much as you want as well. So the big difference is now we don't know how you're going to organize your video. So if you want, at the beginning of the guided, you have your logo with a title. If you want it, basically you have a new one here called logo. So this one, with this shot, when you will click on it, you record a shot, and in this shot you will have your logo in big in the middle, like an introduction. But maybe you want to start your video speaking, just introducing yourself, introducing the property. So if you want that, you will start with a commented shot, like I've just showed you before. You will choose how long you want to speak, and then that's it. So with this version, it's when you understand how every shot are working, and then you can really play with it, organize it as you want. And it's really good when you are getting better at it and you just do whatever you want, to be honest. So now that you know how to create a video, how you can play with templates, now I show you how you can export the video. It's very simple. You just have to click on this button, and here you can choose if you want it in your library and then re-export somewhere, or you can find the application where you want to send it. So you have YouTube, you have other channel that you have on your phone, or you simply export it to your library like this. It's all done. It has been all exported to my library, so I can do whatever I want now. So now that you know how to create a real estate video in a few minutes, there is something very important that you need to know. You need to use this tool. That's a gimbal that will make your video 10 times better as well for stabilization. So it's not difficult to use, and that's why in the next video I will show you 2 important things to be able to use any gimbal. So see you in the next video.